look at this, you guys. This is Create and Learn. And this is a military kit. I don't know what really this is. But it's ages 5+. It's a 10-piece build kit. And you get 2 build kits, a Jeep and a tank. So, babe, please tell me what this is. It includes a military vest. So you get the vest, you get these tanks, and you get all this stuff. What is this? What's a military kit?
You build the Jeep and the tank.
Okay, so you built this.
Like models.
If you guys are looking for something like this, here's what it looks like. Sorry about the glare. It includes this, these, and the cars. Here's the UPC. And you guys, this one is only $8. $8. Regular price $20, down to $8. It's a good deal. Good deal. All right, Manny's gonna scan it just to make sure. Is it 8?
Yep.
Okay, it is $8. So if you guys are looking for this, it went from 20 all the way down to $8. All right, you guys, I found this. It was in clearance. This is some kind of, what is this? A vest?
Like a float for the water.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna need that because I don't know how to swim. Let me see. Where's the tag at? All right, we're gonna show you guys exactly what this is. All right, Master Sportsman. It looks like it's a medium, and it's a kayak deluxe vest. Oh, for kayaking. Oh, you gonna take me kayaking? I want to go.
You want to go kayaking? You.
I was just playing. Never mind. All right, but if you guys want to kayak, this Master Sportsman, I think the M might be for medium. They had different sizes over there, but it has the pockets here. No, really good. All right, let me show you the UPC. There's the UPC, you guys. And this one is only coming up $9. $9. This is the inside. So if you guys are looking for something like that, $9. You can take little Manny and the kids kayaking.
Why won't you go?
Because alligators. I'm scared. It's Florida.
You got a paddle.
I don't deal with no alligators, you guys. I'm from California. We deal with earthquakes. That's about it. All right, so Manny's gonna film himself when he goes kayaking, right?
No.
Yes.
No.
I'm not going.
There you are.
But if you guys want to go, they got this vest for $9. Only on Angel on the Go. We're gonna get you one today.
All right, guys. So this is a Coleman Sleeping Bag. Right?
Is that for kids or an adult?
Nah, this is fits up to 5 feet 11 inches. So
Okay.
probably a short person.
A short person. Okay. It says Alpine.
I mean, 5'11" is pretty big. I'm 5'11", but normally I thought a sleeping bag is like bigger so you can get comfortable and wrap yourself.
Well, you know, you guys, I don't care about the size. Look at this price. Look at that. Boom. $7. $7. This looks like a real good one too. Again, this is Coleman. Fits up to 5'11" and tall. Easy packing. It says 75 inch by 33 inch. That's the color. And this is the only color we've seen. But you guys, $7 is not bad for a sleeping bag.
No,
and again,
normal price is like 20.
Normal price is how much?
20 at least.
20? Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a good price. So if you guys need a sleeping bag, if you guys plan on going camping, oh, look, it has a handle right here. So easy to carry. Angel will not be going camping because I'm scared of aliens and I'm scared of Bigfoot and I'm just scared of bugs and alligators. So I know the kids want to go camping. I'm going to get this for Manny and I'm going to stay in the house and watch TV while you go camping with the kids. So not only do you got your vest for kayaking, but you now have your camping gear right here. Good luck. Peace. All right, you guys, we were just walking and we seen this vest too. Is this for kayaking too?
Yeah.
Huh?
I mean, yeah, but kayaking, but like we could use it for swimming or whatever.
You can use it for swimming. I'm not getting this hair wet. But we just showed you the green one for $9. And now they have the blue one. And for some reason, this one's not $9. This one's cheaper. It's actually $7.50. So I don't know why the green one was $9, but it was because we scanned it. Normal price on this one is $17.48. but it's all the way down to $7.50. That's a great price. This is Master Sportsman, just like the other one. And I don't know, I would rather get this blue one because it's cheaper and it looks, I love the blue. And
I don't have the pockets and stuff.
Oh, no pockets. Okay. And then if you guys look back here, it says Adult Universal. It says user weight more than 90 pounds. There it go. So if you guys see this one in Walmart, it's only $7.50. All right. So do you want the green one or you want this one? Come on.
I'm gonna think on it.
You're gonna think on it.
Yeah.
All right. So if you guys need some kayak or swimming vest, go to Walmart. All right, you guys, I found this, and me and Manny want to start exercising because the only exercise we get is at Walmart.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. All right, but this is, what's the name of that? Spree core board. Look at this. Look, he's on here. All right, look at this, you guys. So he's on this balance. What's this, a balance thing? I don't know what this is, you guys. Improves balance and coordination, strengthens the core, hips, legs, and ankle. Oh, it's for push-ups and squats. What's a squat?
Squat is when you just bend down.
Oh, that sounds like you gotta go to the bathroom or something. A squat. Can you do a squat?
Yeah.
Do it. Man, he's gonna do a squat. Let me see. How you do it?
You just gotta bend like that.
All right, Ben.
No,
You guys.
You're gonna laugh at the knees, huh?
You guys, we're gonna see if Manny's knees are gonna pop.
They
Come
are
on,
gonna
Manny.
pop. They always pop.
Come on, let's just show him. Come on, let's go. Squat. Come on,
You're
squat.
gonna get beat up. And
Come on, come on, squat.
You're gonna get beat up messing with me.
Go down, let me see.
Squat.
Oh, it didn't crack this time. Wait, where you
Oh,
going?
we gotta talk about the thing. See? You got me so on focus already.
He's
Come
so unfocused, he forgot to show you guys what this is.
Because you got me doing exercise in the middle of Walmart.
All right, so do you just get that?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess you just get the core board, you guys. If you come around here, the choice of health clubs, 30 plus. Okay, let me turn to the back. Oh, I would like to see you do that, Manny.
I can do that.
Yeah, I'll be on the floor. All right, and let me show you the UPC. So in case you guys are looking for this item, there's the UPC. And look at this, you guys. It went from $19.97 down to $12.60. So not bad, but we're actually gonna wait until this one goes down. But if you guys are looking for this right now, it's at Walmart for $12.60.
You keep saying go. I don't know what that is.
Come on, Manny.
Action, we're filming.
Oh, I tell Manny to go, but it's actually action. Come on, Manny.
This is the Spree Agility Kit.
Are you sure that's how you pronounce it? I don't think so.
Yeah, it is.
All right, let us know in the comments if that's the way you pronounce it. But I think I seen this on TV, and I'm going to show you guys. Manny demonstrated the other one where his knees did not crack, but they were supposed to. I'm going to demonstrate this one. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
I quit.
That's how you do it, like the football players.
That was like the hammer dance, but it's just terrible.
You guys, I gotta go to the bathroom. All right, okay. Yeah, I was doing this one. Well, you have to go like this.
First of all, this is hurdles, so you jump over hurdles.
Oh, I was doing the jumping.
Okay, so for anybody who's trying to improve their agility,
Okay.
they have 6 hurdles, 6 discs, and a 14-inch agility ladder.
Agility.
Hammer
go.
dance over there, son.
I gotta go to the bathroom. I gotta pause it.
Kid.
I gotta pause this video. You're making me laugh. Okay, you guys. I just demonstrated this for you, so you gotta make sure you get this video a thumbs up because I'm out of breath. I might be little, but I don't do no exercises. So I might have to get that because I didn't even use this and I'm already tired. So can you imagine if I use this? So I'm gonna go ahead and purchase this. Oh, okay. Here's the UPC. Oh. Okay, you guys, hold on. We gotta get it together. Okay. Here's the UPC, you guys. All right. We're gonna go ahead and show. Wait, you gotta show the price. Turn it around. Oh, I'm so out of breath. All right. Regular price is $19.94, and it's all the way down to $10.55. Oh, it's hot in here. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this. If you guys want some exercise like Angel, it's only $10.55. That's cheaper than a membership somewhere. And you can put this in your house and do this. And when I put it up in my house, you guys, I might show you exactly how skillful I am at all three of these. Boom.
I want to see that.
You'll see it. All right, so if you guys are looking for this, it's only $10.55. I'm gonna go ahead and take a quick break and go to the bathroom because I can't hold it no more. And I gotta get something to drink. I'm tired. All right, you guys, we just left Walmart. We went to Walmart for one thing and one thing only. For real, you guys. And look what I found in the clearance. You guys ready? I don't think you guys are ready. Boom. We got 3. Boom, boom, and boom. We actually had to come outside because it was super loud in that Walmart. That Walmart music was crazy. And we tried to go outside, outdoor living, or the garden section. It was even louder. So we decided to come outside and show you what we got. All right, you guys. So this is the Disney Frozen 2. And this is the Ice Powers Playdate Elsa. So this is Elsa, not Anna. I'm trying to figure out the difference, but this one is Elsa. It says 3+, and you guys are not gonna believe how much we paid. Here's Elsa. Look how big she is, you guys. All right, let me come up here. She's actually 32 inches tall. Look how big. Your daughter would love this. Or if you guys want to start reselling, it will be the perfect opportunity. Look at this. We got 1, we got 2, and we got 3.
I found it.
No, I found it, you guys. They were tucked away at the bottom of the clearance aisle. Let me turn it to the back. All right, so it says Elsa says 12 action and adventure phrases. Look at that. So she talks. She also lights up. That's what you guys are going to be looking for. Let me go down here. Look at how big she is. Look at this. If you guys can find this at Walmart at the price we paid, you guys have to grab. It says Elsa can sit on the water Nook. I guess that's her water horse. Sorry about the shadow. So it doesn't come with the horse, but it just comes with the doll. I'm gonna show you the UPC. Can you show me the UPC? And it says here, sorry for the glare, it includes 1 doll and 1 dress. All right, you want to pick up? All right, I got my help here. All right, you guys, here is the important UPC number. Look at this, you guys. Please, please, please take a screenshot or scan it. All right, we're going to show you again. Look how big it is next to Manny. Who found this?
I'm pretty sure it was me.
Who found this?
I saw it from like afar.
Who found this? Be honest. We don't lie on the channel. Who found this?
I saw it from afar, but
What?
you just happened to get
Hold
it
on.
first.
You seen it from afar when I had them in the cart. Because you weren't
were
even
on
down.
that side. I was at the beginning.
That's the face of a liar. All right. Look at this. All right. Look at this, you guys. 32 inches tall. She is super big. You guys ready for this? Look at this. She went from $74. 74. And I think I had her in the video before. $74 down to 30. Boom, in your face. In your face.
Whatever.
We got 3 for almost the price of 1.
Yeah.
Each one cost us $30. Look at this. And if we sell one of these, it'll be so simple to ship. Oh yeah, she talks. It's hard to see her light up, but her hands actually light up and her chest lights up. But it's hard to see because it's so bright out here. Again, we couldn't film inside the store because it was super loud. But again, I'm going to show you the UPC, and you guys can see that her hands do light up and her chest also lights up. Let me show the UPC one more time. This is a first on Angel on the Go. Nobody on YouTube found this deal. This is first. If you guys find it, let us know in the comments.
Make
But
sure
look
you
at
send
this.
us the boom boom video too.
Yes, if you guys find this for $30, send us that boom 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 video when you guys find it. Look at this. $30. And again, not one, not two, but Angel found 3. And we are going to make a killing online. That's all we're going to say. All right. You ready to go to the next store? All right. Good luck, you guys.